Which of the following statements are true about the temporal dimension? Temporal meaning time. Time can be measured along a discrete or continuous scale. Valid time or world time is the time when an event really happened or a string of events took place. Time can be considered to be linear, extending from past to the present into the future. When measuring time, we speak of granularity. We speak of actually as the precision of a time value in a GIS or a database. Time can be represented as absolute or relative, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Temporal dimension. Temporal means time. So we have the length, the breadth, the height to define the object, or the x, y, z axis to define the position of the object. But when the time also comes as a dimension. For example, the time is one axis and the value is another axis. So time is that you have a feature in 1 year, say. These are tree. The featured tree in 1800 year, in 1900 year, and in 2000 year. So these are different time zones or time dimension or time axis where 1800, 1900 and 2000 are also the coordinates. So in 1800 there will be certain attributes. There may be trees. In 1900 there will be less trees, and maybe 2000 there will be no trees. So the attribute of these trees in different timelines are shown here. What is the image of that area? Say raster series. So at T1, that is at 1800, this was the image. This is how it was seen. Say in 2000 T3, a different kind of image is seen. So this is the temporal dimension working out. So temporal refers to time. It represents the time in geographic data. Temporal dimension is always continuous. There will be no break, because it's not that 1800 to 1900 there will be certain years gone. No, every day, every second is counted. But in order to represent it in GIS, we must discretize it. That is, from 1800 to 2000 it is continuous, but we discretized it into 1800, 1900 and 2000. So these are three different times, and these are three different, say, coordinates in the temporal dimension, time dimension. Now you see here, we start with 1150 and we go up to 2010. So this is the temporal dimension, that is the time dimension, where you can see the change of the area and you can analyze it. You can find out the area in different times. That adds the time dimension to the GIS data.